na bụkwa na obele ọgụ na emena mba Asari Dokubo mụdasị a na-agwa onye ibi ọ na-eto afọ kedu nke na-akpọtụnụ ewetara m unu vidio ebe Asari Dokubo bolu ndị Igbo ebubere oke onwe ebubo bolu ndị Igbo ehika raise the alarm say bikono that na time elugo ọhaneze ndị Igbo should come together si suke na Asari Dokubo enwere ka esi akpọ ya n'oyibo amarọ m ihe ndị oyibo na-akpọ datin enwere ka esi esu ya ikpọ ndị lọya enwere ka esi emediti na de ya dị oyibo agba ọkpụrụkpụ alisi onye na-anụgodi ya na ntụ na-ada gbimgbimgbim nwe ike ọ bụla ofense na jiluju ha afọ mana enwere ka esi ti ya n'oyibo wit ndị court a na-iri ọ na-ada gbimgbimgbim so by time enugodili iwu na even Igbo dadị chọ mini na because ịmago na ikpe amago onye already si jide nwoke a suwe ya video anụ na akwado na kịta bụ vidio nwanne ha nwoke pụtasị na atụ na onwerọkwa ndị Igbo rekrutulu ndị mmadụ ka ha wee na-enwekwa ndị rekrutu ndị Igbo those things because Asari Dokubo is insisting na ndị Igbo rekrutulu ndị mmadụ to ịnụsa ha ọgụ ndị Igbo mere nka ndị Igbo mee nke ọzọ erekrutukwala ndị Igbo ejikwa wee mee nke anọ biko nụ this video ka unu fụ ebe nwanne ha nwoke jikwa ọnụ ya wee sị na atụ na onwerekwa aka ndị Igbo dị n'ihe a because he's making it obvious ihe ọ na-emeketa ọ na-erezi tempo and again ka m kwuru mgbe onwe mgbe m kwuru okwu sị gị na ndị anụnwa they don't operate kịta anụnwa ha na-ebu ọnụ onwekweghị ihe eme onye ugwu kịta ka ọ tụọ gị ọgụ onwekwa because na ọ ma na ọ tụọ gị ọgụ he is going to do extra 60 days fasting. That is the way they think and that is who they are. That is why they say sometimes I study these people. I know how they behave. I know who they are. So he's raising the tempo now, so that so that they can have justifiable reason to react. And these people they are zombie. They don't care whether they with evidence against the person or say no onye emero that thing. As long as malam ha sigo ha kuje si buwe si kashe si bokasia ha yebu ha ya kashe owebulo nka ha na afuta Asari Dokubo as onye be ha na-edu ha mkpu ekpele and he made it categorically that he has led Sultan of Sokoto, Emir of Nka na ekpele na Saudi Arabia. So for you to know his rank in the Muslim sector, it is not easy leading da na ekpele. Okay, we lead ha na ekpele. Onya that first person na akwụ n'ihu. Utie salamu alaikum ahụ. Ndị ọzọ etikwa salamu alaikum ahụ suye. That one person na akwụ n'ihu and you watch afọ na the more their rank in Igbo, if you can be able to lead up to 500 to 1,000 people behind you or ilibego, automatically they create in form of a soldier now control battalion because what you see stands. And legit because now the reason most of you people put on zo under your father's house because unapo berapo. And most of you don't think and you don't reason and you are not even willing to and you are not even ready to learn. So if one you like this or not sound strange and but this is exactly what is happening. Let us shift away from attention of Ebukobi Nugu State. Let us draw back to reality. My hand name this side. Kima kwa na aga on. So mwana Asari Dokubo Potagona clear the air. So if Unde Ohaneze and Igbo will take advantage of this scenario now, file a counter attack warning against une release go statement. That statement is not enough. File a counter approach and arrest. So that next time he will be mindful of his own and die in the sense that he cannot mention Igbo in his speech again. He cannot mention it because also no Igbo, so he doesn't have the right to mention Igbo. No, also. And then this video.
Yes, His Royal Majesty King Asari Dokubo. We respect you fully. Especially the Krikas respect you as a king. But for you to say that IPOP, the Igbo people, are recruiting some Okrika boys, Wakrika boys, and some Ebani boys, Opopo boys, including Bonny boys. King Asari Dokubo, I'm not calling you a lie, but you lie for this word. Yes, if Igbo said that Okrika is Igbo, Bonny is Igbo, Popo is Igbo, yes, they are right. Because even me as a son, I remember vividly, our parents, especially our mother, our foremothers, many of them are Igbos. No matter anything, we know our origin. Even they marry them come to Okrika, or they marry them come to Bonny, they are Igbos. So we will never deny our origin, our grandmothers. They are Igbo. Even the Kalabari, half of Kalabari too are Igbo. If you deny where you came from, we the Okrikas we don't deny. But for you to open your mouth and say that they are recruiting some Okrika boys, as what? Okrika boys, the Okrikans and the Opopo and Igbo, Bonny, they respected themselves, their youth. If we can never find Okrika boy doing sea piracy or opening a camp or a barrack, that's why the ammunition he had in his possession. King, we do respect. We Okrikas, we are from Igbos. Okrikas are Igbo. As far as our mothers are Igbos, we are Igbos. So if the Igbo people claim that Okrika is part of Igbo, Bonny is Igbo, yes, they are Igbos. We will never support a stranger. According to your saying, how can you sing that lost song in a strange land? That is how we the Okrikas will never sing, both the Bonny Opopo will never sing that lost song in a strange land. The Igbos are our brothers. Till today, if you look, the only people that will intermarry with us are Igbos. Hausa can never intermarry with us, and Hausa they are not productive. Till now, Hausa can never buy a land in your community or anywhere I find it says doing business to build the house or marry a daughter. But Igbo man came to your community, you will see that he will marry from your family, do something, build the house, do everything, make that place look nice. Today, after the British, the people that made Nigeria to be great like this are Igbos. Even in the northern states, the Igbos are the people that developing those states. Even River State, many houses belongs to Igbos. One Hausa man can, rather Hausa man will make money in your state and go back to his state, buy a house, marry his daughter. Hausa don't marry us, marry from River State anywhere. But we intermarry. The only people that tried that thing with us is Yorubas. So sir, we do respect King. If today Okrikans want to support anybody, we will support the Igbos, not the Hausas. Okrikans are Igbos. Opopo are Igbos. Bonny are Igbos. But they have never recruited anybody. So Okrika youth never involve themselves in those things. Okrika youth will stand when it is time you want to oppress us or you bring problem. We stand. We know we are one man, we are one Lord. But we are not so cheap that we go and recruited by other people to go and fight with them. The fight hasn't gone to that. But if the fight has gone to that stage, the people will stand with our Igbos. Today, look at our oil. All the oil well are possessed by the Hausas. None of our king, even you as a king, you don't have an oil block. I don't know whether you don't have. Then what are we saying? Today, there are people that are mining their golds. None of them have betrayed or said that they want to secure their gold so that the federal government will come and take them. But look at you people. You people try to that is protect our property for strangers to come. He said that Tantita and all the rest. You are saying, mama, Oga, do your business. You are royal waiting company where you get the gun company where they carry they go key boys. Continue about no talk across say. They are recruiting Okrika boys or Popo boys. Yes, if the Igbo kill him Okrika and Yoruba, yes, half of Okrika are Igbos. They are our brothers. We can never kill our brothers to strangers. Thank you, sir. We do respect. This is an advice to you as a king. Don't extend your talk. Thank you, Father.